Hi, I'm Peter Haddock. I'm here with Steve at Towmate Trailers. A big day for you, big open day of the new facility here just off the M40, actually really central location for you, the Discovery Centre, isn't it now,
Absolutely,
Steve?
yep.
So here's why people are discovering an open day, the trailers. We see the classics here.
Yep.
Tell me a little bit about what we're walking with, the classics. Seen this one before?
Yeah, so we've got our full range of trailers here at this site.
Yep.
This is one of the great beauties of having our Discovery Hub up and running, is that we never had a facility where everyone could come and see the entire range of trailers in one go.
Yep.
So we've got our standard plant trailers.
Yep.
Along here. We've got the Beaver Tail, the flatbed versions. They come with full width ramps, they come with individual ramps. Then we've got along the other side, we've got our general duty, we've got our flatbeds, rolling chassis, we've got our cable drum trailers, we've got more specialist trailers here, which are great examples of the way our modular features enable people to customise a trailer to suit their requirements. So we've got examples here where we've actually produced something for OpenReach, we've got another one where we've produced it for Cadent. And then we've got our more specialist coil pipe trailers.
I wouldn't have expected to see something like this, because obviously when we've met before we've talked about plant trailers,
yes.
But this is really important when you're taking stuff onto the job site, isn't it?
Absolutely, yeah.
And then when you're looking after, I mean, what I really like about this is more a utility kind of setup, isn't it?
Absolutely, yep. So this one's been specially designed for specific things. So it's called an SLG because it's a sign trailer. Okay. So it's used for carrying a full selection of signs, so they can do all of their Chapter 8 setup. So when they go to a roadworks, they've got everything they need there in this trailer to fence off an area where they're doing an excavation.
Right, okay.
Cones, signs, absolutely everything. Yep.
So one trailer for doing that, another trailer follows behind with the digger that can do it, folks, and that's really exciting stuff. And I mean, when we look at, again here, this specific, and I think that's what's really important, folks, to understand about Towmate Trailers, isn't it, Steve? That, you know, it is modular, but also, you know, you have your own design in-house, don't you?
Absolutely, 100%.
And so if you've got certain things like this trailer here, which we see from OpenReach, you've worked with the engineering team at OpenReach to do that. And how does that actually work if people want something specific?
Absolutely. So we have our unique methodology.
Yeah.
So we initially have a discovery phase.
Yeah.
Links very well with our Discovery Hub, so
Indeed.
people come and find out what they want, obviously. So the discovery phase is we sit down with the customer and we explore exactly what they're trying to achieve.
Yeah.
It's what they want to achieve, not how to do it at that point in time.
Yeah.
We will then go away with our to our engineering team in our create stage.
Yeah.
And what we'll do is our engineers will take that brief and they'll come up with a solution. That solution then gets discussed with the customer.
Yeah.
Will it work? Won't it work? Then we'll go into a build phase where we'll often build a prototype for the customer to actually physically try, because often what's on paper, when it's transferred into real life, doesn't always quite work how you envisaged it. So it gives them an opportunity to tweak and refine it.
Yeah.
And then we'll get sign off in our sign off stage. And then obviously it will go to production, and then we get deliver.
Yeah.
And then finally we've got our aftercare service. So we make sure that our customers have an ongoing support. So once they're used and they're out in the field, they can come back and keep them running.
Fantastic. And I think what's really important about that, folks, is we've got a UK manufacturing here, which means we've got UK parts, UK service, and therefore you can get things back up and running if something does happen to a trailer in the job site or when we're on the move. And show us what this one's all about.
This is our coil pipe trailer, our 180 coil pipe trailer.
Yeah.
It's got our unique lay safe fitted on the back, which is a market leader in removing stored energy from coil pipe. When a pipe is coiled, it's like a big spring, because when it's formed in that, it's still hot.
Yeah.
It sets in that position. It doesn't really want to unravel. And if you try and straighten it, it wants to recoil.
Pings out.
So the whole point of this device is, as you pull it through, it straightens the pipe, it re-rounds it, and it removes all of that stored energy from the pipe, so it's safe for the operators to use.
Wow, I never would have thought that, but you know when you're rounding things up, how it works. We all know how spring systems work.
Absolutely.
So not only is it the trailers, not only is it the bespoke nature of something, you've even created your own system from unraveling the energy, but we've certainly not unraveled our own energy here today, Steve.
Absolutely.
And so it's time to basically explain, Steve, where exactly are you and how can people come and discover the Towmate whole selection and even the special bits?
We are in Gaydon, which is just off the M40, junction 12. We're about 2 minutes from the M40. obviously in the Midlands.
Yeah.
We also have a factory in Colchester where all our products are produced.
Yeah.
We very much invite customers to come there and see how we do it. We have a team of engineers. We build the product ourselves, and we were recently awarded the Made in Britain accreditation, which we're very proud of.
And fantastic, and you can obviously see all of these trailers here and discover what's going on. So great to see you,
Absolutely.
Steve. Cheers.
Excellent, good.